Where'd you get that shirt from?
If you guys could see all these legs. You see the interruptions I get in this household? Hey BC fam, welcome back to Beauty Chronicles. It's your girl Shan here, and I'm by myself, Miss Ines. And I'm coming to you with, of course, another wig review. You know we come through with the units. And this wig, well, this video is sponsored by divatrust.com. So big clap and thank you to them. You know we appreciate all the love and the wigs. But let's get into this wig review. Alright, I put my bonnet on. Oh, are y'all proud of me? I finally bought a bonnet. Like, I've been talking about it for mad long, but I got a bonnet. So proud. But anyways, the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today, this is a model wig. Her name is Electra, and this is her place card here. And the color that you see over here, it's, there you go, because it's a little shine from the lights, but is an FF Russet. Amazing color. Like, if this ain't fall, then I don't know what is. So this is her, guys. Extra long. And like I said, the reason why she spoke out to me, well, called my name from the website, is because look at that deep lace parting right there. And I just like that, like, from the package. I didn't do anything to her, I promise. I would not do that off camera. But just from the packaging, like, look how flat she is. Like, for it to be a straight wig, she came out like that. She woke up like this. Alright. And the length is amazing. Time out. You know what I didn't realize? I just now realized. Model, Diva Trust. Y'all have my heart. Look at this wig. The lace is already cut. Like, look at that. It came like this. That means that if you need a grab and go wig, she's your... This is what I'm talking about. Like, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, you know we have our mix-ups when we cut lace, but and you gotta fix it. But when it comes already ready, you know you about to be out. Like this. The density on the wig is perfect. It's not too much hair. It's not too little hair. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through it. There is a little bit of shedding, just a tiny bit. There is a little bit of shedding, not too much. Let's see here. Yeah, it could be just because I opened up the package, but I mean, well, we're gonna have to see. But so far, I mean, she's looking lit. Oh my God, the spacing. Let me just... Like, that's the perfect amount of spacing. You know how when you get a wig and it looks like a needle is basically going through? Like, this is the perfect amount of spacing. But like I said, density is perfect. There was a little bit of shedding, like taking her out. I would have to see how she is, like, after, you know, a week of wearing her. No shedding anymore, really. But, other than that, I mean, it's a pretty nice wig. I did plug up my straightener here, which I gotta turn on, because since she was in the package, and obviously they're not gonna give you a wig that like this long, they obviously curled it up a little bit just so it could fit into the packaging. So me particularly, I want it to be bone straight, so I am probably gonna end up straightening this unit. But I'm gonna go ahead and plop her on, and we gonna see. We gonna see. So this is Electra on. And I have to say, I'm really digging her. I'm digging the layers. I'm digging the hair. It's not too much hair where I'm feeling like, oh my God, I'm about to break down because it's so much going on in my head. The hair is bone straight. I am still going to straighten it just because, like, you see the wave pattern right there a little bit. I want to see this wig like Aaliyah straight, like. Now, it's been a minute with straight hair, so I'm going to do my juju on her, and we're going to see where that takes us. So, y'all know the deal. I'm going to take some concealer, just a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. So I'm just going to take my Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to slide her on into that parting space. Get in there. And then just to set the concealer, I'm gonna go in with my little NYX palette here, And I'm going to take the tone, the shade brown, and I'm just going to put that into my parting space. See, this one's a lot easier because I'm just sliding it back and forth like easily. Do all that. And she doesn't need a lot of heat. I literally put it at the lowest heat possible because this is a brand new unit. And like I said, it's just because she was in her packaging that she was a little bit wavy. So I am just going to straighten her up a little bit. And look at that. Alright. Okay, Electra. You know, the good thing... Ooh. The one good thing that I'm seeing about this unit is that even though it's very long and it's straight, the tangling is not bad at all, because there isn't any, because she is so straight. And like I said, it's a perfect density where it's not too much hair. And just look at that, like perfect. And she goes right like up to, I want to say, like right above my butt. So if you're digging Electra, make sure you click the link below. Again, big thank you to divatrust.com for sending out this lovely unit. I cannot... So remember, this is a model wig, and her name is Electra in the color 1B. I want to say she's about almost 28 inches, minimal tangling, and only a little bit of shedding. That was the only thing that I think, like, you know, I can call on this wig is the shedding, and it wasn't even a lot, and it stopped after I actually brushed through the unit. So like I said, it could be due to it being a brand new unit. Only time will tell. But so far, she has stopped shedding. Yeah, no more. But before you guys head out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're not following us on Instagram, go ahead, check that out. I'm going to be posting so many pictures in this unit, you know, because I'm excited. And oh, but since my mom was over here interrupting me while I was filming, if you do want to know where I got this shirt from, the link will be in the description bar below as well. Wow. You still interrupting? If you want to know where I got this blouse from, the description will be, the link will be in the description bar below. But big thank you for tuning in, and make sure you guys stay tuned for next week. Nessa's going to come through with another wig review. Yes, from divatrust.com. And thanks for tuning in, guys. See you later.